Hi, my name is Ayushi Shah. I'm 25 years old and I have been born and brought up in Mumbai. There was a lot of self-doubt and I didn't really know what I wanted to do or what career should I choose. I was extremely confused and I thought, okay, all my friends are taking up commerce, so just let me go with the flow. So after graduation, I felt that I'm not able to get a job. Only thing that I could get was internship. So I went ahead with it. Alongside, I thought, okay, maybe a post graduation will enhance my resume. And that's when I pursued both of them together. After a while, I felt I'm more interested in quantitative side of finance, and all the resumes that I looked into would require a knowledge of a programming language. So that's when I picked up Python because that was most famous. I did a few free courses, one paid course, and did land up in a job. But out there, I was basically writing scripts that would, get some task done. I was enjoying at that time. Later, I felt okay, if I'm calling myself a developer, I should know what is front end, what is back end. I wasn't really doing that. So, and at that time, I was listening to these coding podcasts, and all of them mentioned that they had gone to some or the other boot camp. Hence, I thought that okay, let's search for a coding bootcamp who would provide me proper education because I didn't have formal education. The search began, and luckily, one day in news, I read Hassan's story, and I was very excited about Masai School after I read it. So I searched for a lot of boot camps. I couldn't find any in Mumbai. I was sure that I will have to relocate somewhere. But I read that Masai School wasn't charging any fees right away. The proposition that once I get a job, only then I have to pay really excited me. I did one interview with Yogesh sir as well during my admission process, and that time he said, you don't really have to come here to Bangalore, because even if you do come in Bangalore, we'll never meet you. It will always be Zoom meetings, and all the communication will happen on Slack. So I was really relieved that I won't have to relocate. I can study at the comfort of staying at home. I had my doubts, definitely, that because I'm coming from a commerce background, whether I'll be able to pick up the pace. But again, I was also confident because I had one programming language knowledge with me. So that wasn't the issue. The issue was whether I'll be able to do DSA, because that I had never done before. Initially, I felt okay, whether will I be able to do it. But then once the questions started coming, and once I was able to crack those questions, I gained more confidence. I was kind of confident that I'll be able to crack, if not the best job, but at least I'll get a hit. I'll be able to start my career in full stack development. My first interview was with ShareChat, and ShareChat had offered me an internship. So I was very confused. Okay, if after the internship, what happens if they don't hire me full time? But I was really excited to become a part of ShareChat, even if it is for a short period of time. But luckily, after 3 months, I asked for a review, and they did offer me a full-time position. So now I'm working as a software development engineer 1 at ShareChat. So one piece of advice I would give is, don't think what will others think. Be selfish. Just know what is more important for you and just go for it.